Arav has created an excellent science model. He understands the concept and can explain it clearly. He designs a working display and speaks with confidence about the idea behind it. But during group work, something changes. He becomes frustrated when his partner suggests a change and refuses to cooperate. So, how would you describe Arav? Are we looking at only one part of a much bigger picture? A learner can be strong in one area and still be developing in another. Academic performance may tell us something about cognitive functioning, but it does not automatically tell us how they are developing emotionally, socially, or morally. If we judge the whole learner from one behavior, we may miss the developmental need that actually requires support. One behavior does not equal the whole learner. Development can be understood through 5 lenses. Physical development relates to changes in the body and physical functioning. Mental development involves changes in thinking, understanding, and reasoning. Emotional development concerns how learners experience and respond to emotions. Social development involves interaction and relationships. And moral development relates to values, rules, responsibility, and right and wrong. These 5 dimensions are distinct, but they are also interconnected. Together, they form the whole learner: physical, mental, emotional, social, and moral. Now look at Arav again. His ability to understand and explain the science gives us evidence about his mental functioning. His response to his partner gives us something to explore about his emotional functioning. And his difficulty working collaboratively gives us something to explore about his social functioning. We are not assigning Arav a developmental level from one behavior. We are identifying areas that may require further observation and support. Instead of asking, "Is Arav a good or difficult student?" the teacher can ask, "Which aspect of development might help me understand this behavior? And what evidence do I need before deciding how to respond?"
See the difference in practice. The less effective teacher says, "You are very good academically, but you need to learn how to behave with others." Arav becomes defensive.
The better response is different. The teacher says, "Tell me what concerned you when your partner suggested changing the display." Arav explains his worry, and the teacher opens space for a new response. This is the difference between judging a learner and supporting development. Don't label the learner. Identify the area that needs attention. Create an opportunity to develop. When observing a learner, use 5 lenses. Physical: what physical abilities are relevant? Mental: what is the learner reasoning? Emotional: how does the learner respond to challenge? Social: how do they interact? Moral: how do they think about fairness and rules? Remember 4 things. Development is multidimensional. One strength does not equal complete development. One behavior does not equal complete explanation. Effective teachers observe, seek evidence, and respond. Try this in your next classroom. Choose one learner and observe one real situation. Write only what you can observe. Then ask, which developmental dimension explains this behavior? What evidence do I need? And what opportunity could I provide?